What's going on, everyone? What you guys been up to? Anything for questions and anything? So, well, right now, you guys, I'm just heading to the base right now this morning. And then we are going to a different base to drop off a bus, and then going to another person's house, switching buses. And I'm gonna be like crazy busy today, but that's okay because there's a lot of things that we are gonna do. We are probably gonna do a meadow run today. Get rid of some metal, lots of stuff. Crazy stuff what we are doing today. So that's what's going on, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when we are done.
Having pancakes and bacon and strawberries. So what are you doing? Are you making a smiley face?
Okay, guys, I can't even get mad at her.
Are you making a smiley face?
I'm making that one.
Why are you making a sad face?
And I want to.
It was happy earlier.
It was happy out. Hey, Silas, what are you trying to do?
Well, I'm gonna need those.
What are you trying to do?
Silas is nuts. He was trying to eat all the socks. No, don't give them to him. I need those.
I'm passing to you.
Who's with these poops tonight, dude?
Are you making a smiley face or a sad face?
That thing.
That looks like a happy face with blushy.
What does a sad face look like?
Grace, what does a sad face look like? Show me.
He's
Can you show the
trying
camera?
to get your food so hard.
Can you show me a sad face? Can you show me a sad face, Grace? Look. Show me a sad face. Happy face? Angry face. Sour
Show me
face.
a silly face.
How about a sour face?
Just say, show me a mean face. Show me the I'm gonna trick you face.
I take.
Oh. What are you trying to do, Grace?
Grace, I have a mission for you. And
Keep going.
Put your feet up.
Won't you send me around? Won't you send me around, Daddy?
You want me to spin you around?
Yes.
There you go. We did some spinach chips, but we made it something different with bacon. A lot of things that we do add to
I
it.
just mixed the cheese in instead of putting it on top.
So,
Because the cheese always falls off and it annoys me.
so that's what's going on, you guys. That's what we did.
I hope you guys enjoyed this, guys. Do give it a big thumbs up. Good night.